What's up, guys? Good morning. It is super early. It is not even 5 a.m. yet. I am getting back on my schedule, waking up very early, making an early video for you all. I can't believe 2023 is almost over. So excited for 2024. So much planned just with YouTube and the Patreon and life and my other business and a lot of different things I'm going to be adding to this channel. So I appreciate you all for joining. I appreciate you for liking the video if that's something that you do. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can get more content that I'm about to share with you and more exciting things this next year right away. You don't have to research my name. Don't forget to grab a coffee. Here's mine. Guys, the cost to borrow is extremely high. Let's look at this right now. And when I mean cost to borrow, I'm talking about Mullen stock. We have been covering Mullen stock for over a year now, been invested for almost a year and a half now, and it has been extremely annoying, frustrating, but I do have high hopes that we will have a turnaround here very soon. But this is another important indicator. You can see right here, the max is 269%. So that's how much a broker is charging, the highest right now. Okay, the average is about 50% for you to borrow shares so you can short the stock, right? The minimum is 10%, so a broker out there is actually charging 10.7%, which is still very high when you think about it. So with the average being 50%, this is getting very good for us retail. Being my own opinion, this is not financial advice. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is just showing that it's getting very expensive to short Mullen stock. Now, if warrants are actually done, and cost to borrow is high and stays high, then I think it could get very good for us because they're not going to be diluting the stock. They're not going to really be shorting as much as they have since February of 2023 because of the cost to borrow. So again, this is a positive thing moving forward. But what do we need next? Everyone should know this. We need news because Mullen moves off news. So with today being Tuesday, I do believe Mullen has dropped news on Tuesdays before. I know they really love to drop news on Thursdays. So maybe this is just prepping for Thursday. And maybe, just maybe, we get some news on Thursday. But Thursday is Thanksgiving, which I just remembered. So I don't know if that will happen. I believe the market is closed also on Thanksgiving. So it's just going to be a weird week, right? Let me know what you guys think down below with the cost to borrow being so high, because it has been a while since Mullen had a high cost to borrow. Are you buying? Are you holding? Are you selling? What is your plan moving forward, especially going into December and the meeting? Today, let's look at the 2-hour time frame because I want to show you an indicator that is making Mullen look very, very good right now. Like this is an accumulation zone that we're in, trading at 18.80 under 19 cents, which is frustrating, but I do think we got to be a little more patient because I do think the stock will move up much higher very soon. And the reason I think the stock will move up much higher very soon is because it looks like we have bottomed out. We are making higher lows. We are holding. We are not breaking down like we usually do. But more importantly, you can see a ton of volume is right here, right? So this is like a zone where people are buying, it seems like. And then look at the gap, the volume gap. The next big volume block is around 28 cents. And I've been saying 28 cents right up there, right? But also you have a descending trend line that you want to be aware of. We also have the 618 level right at 29 cents. A lot of volume, like 28, 29 cents. So again, with this big volume gap, this would be a fast move, just because there's really no volume here. And then we could see some resistance like I've been stating in these videos around 27 to really 30 cents, okay? You gotta base it off the Fibonacci, you gotta base it off volume, you gotta base off the Keltner channel also, which I'd be looking at more closely on a daily time frame. Again, this is a 2-hour time frame. You can see we're trading above this yellow line on the RSI. The stochastic is kind of high, but we could chill around here for a while, just being the 2-hour time frame, or we could have a little pullback and then a rip. So guys, don't forget to drop a like if you want to learn more about these charts and 2 stocks that I bought into yesterday. Go ahead and join the Patreon down below. I'm finding a lot of new stocks, especially this next year. I've called out DraftKings at $16. I called out Palantir at $7. We were buying these very low. DraftKings is at $35 now, and Palantir is at $21 now. So again, I've called lots of Tesla trades as well. This next year in 2024, I am going to be finding better stocks, not really high risk stocks like Mullen, like these quick trades. I really like to hold stocks and even get like a 20-30% return, even if it takes a week or two, based off technicals and how the company is moving. So if that interests you, go ahead, join the links down below. You can join the Patreon for $7 right now, or you can join the gold tier for $40, where we're actually going to Zoom together one-on-one once a month. I had 2 people sign up the other day, and we only have 1 spot left. So check that out if that does interest you. Have a great day. Have a great week. We'll see you on the next one.